I see pigeons roaming around with memo for everyone, but where's mine? I see herds of reindeer going down in a narrow road, wondering they can all pass. Sometimes I get confused when I see a flock of sheep running through the green grass, and I also realize it wasn't made for them. Sometimes I try to put my feet in a small size of shoes, and I get hurt, forgetting that it wasn't made for me. I got monsters in my head and freaks in my bed. I can't fall asleep, I might sleep when I'm dead. Starting to feel like a zombie, cause my memories with you haunt me. You are half of what made me a whole. I was able to wipe all dead roses in my life, but I don't know why I still see them at night, living rent-free inside of my head. I failed to get space in my bed. Yes, they can say that I'm lonely, because they guess my way back broke me. Forgetting it taught me I'm not done searching for my moonlight. I will keep going until things get right. I saw something bit harder in me. I can be a writer, a provider. I need some fire to go worldwide. So my job is to satisfy. I will never stop while I'm hard working. I'm in a zone where no one can stop me. This is the way I like controlling my life in, and my name is beat staring worldwide now. I will keep that fire forever.